I want to show you how to quickly edit a page in Canva. As you see, I have created a calendar. I want to replace the numbers with colored boxes so the calendar can be used for any year. We can do this by using the Position tab and the Layers option. You see the Layers tab next to the Arrange tab at the top of the screen. The Layers tab shows everything you have created on your page. The black multi-line box shows that items have been grouped together. In order to change anything on a grouped layer, you must first ungroup it. Click on the three dots and scroll through the option and click Ungroup. Then you will be able to scroll through each item on your page and edit it. I am deleting the number by clicking on it and hitting delete on my keyboard. I prefer this method because it keeps me from accidentally moving things around on my page. I will show you a couple of times so you can see exactly what I am doing. Hope this helps. Until the next video, keep creating. Thanks for watching.